Make sure y'all subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks to my honorable assistant, I now know how to zest the honorable lemon to make the honorable lemon garlic pepper wings. Let me give you some understanding. Here it is. I'm frying them up, getting them ready. I got some honorable avocado oil. Let it sit for a little bit. Put one in there, saw the sizzle was on, got right to it. I didn't put no extra anything on the wings prior to putting them on there. Only reason being is because the lemon pepper is going to be so tasty. You don't need a bunch of salt and things of this nature. Here they are, fresh out the pills out, mixing them up with the honorable sauce. Y'all know these joints was the best of honor. I'm telling you now, they were of pure honor. But let me give you details. Look at the honorable lemon just sitting there, just representing that honorable taste that's running through the veins of this honorable lemon wing pepper. Let me give you an understanding of the guacamole. Listen, oh my goodness gracious, it's nothing like an honorable, nutritious meal with the honorable blue cheese crumbles with the blue cheese running all through them. I'm talking about pure Ilzana, you hear me? Ho, my bad. Let me not get off topic, but let me take you a couple days back where I carried the honor in its purest form, and I actually made the most honorable green stuffed peppers in the wizard. Right here, you have the honorable tender beef chunks. I'm going to be carrying it with pure honor. I put an honorable Creole on it, some garlic powder. I let them sit for a little bit. Put a little lemon juice over them too. Just to let them sit, let the meat, absorb that honorable juice. Then I went ahead and carried it with the purest of honor with the green peppers and the onions. Here's the seasonings that I used inside this honorable meal. You know how we carry it. I had to throw the honorable beef chunks in the honorable coconut milk so it can go ahead and simmer a little bit. I threw a little bit of avocado in there also. The reason why I threw the avocado in there also, along with the basil leaves, is because I want to make an honorable creamy sauce, and I done that. And here it is. I took them straight out to let them frizz and sear up a little bit more, and I'm on to the ground beef. Now, the ground beef is the purest of honor. I threw some raw tomatoes in there. I threw some green peppers and them onions, and I made sure that I carried it in the best of honor because I want y'all to have the understanding of the taste because you can't taste it. Now, here it is. I'm carefully putting the honorable ground beef along with those beef chunks chopped up in there. And look, it looks so good, but guess what? It tastes beyond honorable. But guess what? I'm going to do a little bit more. Some people, they just want to do a little bit. Nah, I'm going to carry it with the purest of honor. Only reason why I'm going to carry it so well is because you only get one chance at life. And, sometime you got to be able to create your own meal. I'm just being truthful with y'all. That's why I need y'all to tap in because there's a lot of brothers at home. There's a lot of sisters at home that's totally confused on how to create their own meals. So I took my time out. I opened that air fryer and said, you know what? It's only two of them I'm going to be making because it's my first time making it. I'm going to throw it on 350 for an honorable 15 minutes. Remember, if you have green peppers, make sure they're softened first. You don't want to go ahead and, how can I say it? You don't want to go ahead and wait to the last minute and put your peppers in. They won't be soft. It'll take a long time, and the things in the inside, it won't be cooked. Like anything in the inside won't be cooked all the way like you want it. And me, I love my food overly cooked, well done. It has to be well done. Let me give you an honorable pointer here. In order to make your food correct, when it comes down to the green peppers, you want to make sure that you put them inside of the oven first and heat them up a little bit. Only reason being because it's going to take time for the inside of everything that you put in the green peppers to cook. So you want to make sure that pepper is nice and soft so it don't take that long to get done inside the oven. Air fryer also, if your air fryer has an oven option. Now, here is my honorable avocado cream that I'm making to pour over top of the honorable green peppers, the honorable stuffed green peppers. When I tell you the way I put this together is coconut milk, basil leaves, and a little bit more honorable things that I really can't give y'all. And here's me pouring the honorable avocados cream on top of that honorable bell pepper. That's that thing that you see hanging from there that looks like an arm. That's what you call honorable mozzarella cheese, the cheddar kind. And here it is. I have the honorable special cheese, the special cheese over top of the honorable stuffed green pepper with the cilantro, with the honorable avocado sauce all through it. And you know I have the cilantro rice on the sill side. How are we carrying it? If we can't carry it with honor, we can't carry it at all. Make sure y'all tune all way in. Make sure y'all tap all way in. People said to me, yo, King Ernie, you can't do this. I said, I know I can do it. And I'm going to show the world what I can do. I want to make sure y'all also subscribe to the channel right now. Click the like button and make sure you stick around because I have more episodes coming. King Ernie live and direct.